Hi friends, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today it's a roasted vegetable curry. I grilled all the vegetables in the stove and let's see the recipe. I have grilled brinjals, beans, garlic, tomatoes, green chilies. See how the garlic looks, see how the tomatoes look. The tomatoes peels are fully burnt and we can remove it with the hand. Then we'll see how we have to clean it. The brinjal's thin layer skin can be removed, but you have to remove it very carefully. And let's see how to do it. I have also burnt the onions. Here I am soaking some tamarind. You can take as your wish. Few curry leaves, coriander leaves, and 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 3 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, and little bit of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon mustard, and few fenugreeks. And these fenugreeks you can put little less also, that's your wish, and a few shallots, 10 to 15. And let's see how to prepare this recipe. This is a very tasty dish for rice. It can be eaten even with chapatis. For rice it's very tasty. And see, like this you have to clean the peels and mash the vegetables well, brinjal and all the vegetables. Here now I am mashing the vegetables. Now take a mud vessel and switch your flame on and let the vessel get heated. Now pour 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and when the oil is nice and hot, add fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds and let them splutter. Now the fenugreek seeds and mustard seeds are spluttered, and we'll add the shallots. You have to be careful while adding the shallots so that the oil does not sprinkle on you. You can use a lid as I am using in the video. And now we can add the dry ingredients after a few seconds, maybe 5 to 6 seconds. Add all the dry ingredients and mix it well. Let the masala get cooked. Let it not get burnt. Be careful. Now the masala is cooked and the raw smell is gone. Now we have to add a few curry leaves. I have learned this recipe from my father. My father makes it and it's very tasty, so I thought I'll share this recipe with you guys. Now we can add the mashed vegetables and give it a good mix and stir them in this same masala. I make this vegetable curry when I don't have dal, and it's a little bit difficult not to burn the vegetables. If you are having firewood stove, it's very easy to prepare this curry. Also you can burn potatoes, it will be very good. Now we can press the tamarind and take as much as needed. If you want it less, you can use less. I am using a little bit more because I want more gravy and a little bit sour. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon. And now I'll pour it and add salt as much as required. And we can add it to the vegetables and mix it well. Here Shaariq is coming and he is asking what I am making, and he is trying to cook with me and saying some things. Then I am scared because it's down now. The heat will come to him. So I kept him far and I am taking the video. And now we'll pour the tamarind. I am checking whether the vegetables are cooked well. Then if the vegetables are cooked well, we can add the tamarind. The vegetables are cooked well and I am adding tamarind, and also I'll add a little bit of water that is needed for the curry, and check the salt. If salt is needed, I'll add. Here I added enough salt, I hope so. And now let it boil 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it. You can make this curry with any vegetables that you have. And now let it boil and we'll see what to do. Meanwhile, cut the coriander leaves finely so that when the curry is boiled, you can just add it at the top and cover it. Hey guys, I hope so this recipe is new to you. You too try this recipe at your home and let me know your comments. Now the curry is boiling and the vegetables are also boiled well, and I am adding coriander leaves. Until next, take care. Bye bye.